इधर आओ सामने। Good morning, each and everyone. Welcome to Kheda Park or Saeed Bhagat Singh Park. Installing in Amid, or you can say it about that catching hold of the children, just teaching them, and after that, you can say discussing something about park, or you can say it about their general life. You can say. आज हमारे सामने इंग्लिश सकता है अच्छा पार्ट इंग्लिश पार्ट हिंदी दैट विल डू और इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश या और हमारे सामने एक नन्हा सा सरदार है ना और ये कल का भारत है कल का भारत है और कल का हिंदुस्तान है और हो सकता है कल का दुनिया भी है ना अब मैं समझता हूँ आई सिंपली वांट टू आस्क अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग हाउ डू यू लाइक टू सी इंडिया आफ्टर 10 years व्हाट अबाउट योर विजन ऑफ इंडिया आफ्टर 10 years
I want to see India like a very developed country. Like like Japan, Japan, America. But some places like this garbage. Garbage is in our countries.
You can come to Punjabi, you can come to Hindi, no problem. Yeah, Allah sa, acha thing. Development doesn't mean you have got car, you have got bangla, you have got this and that thing. Suppose you are the son. Your duty is to just care your parents too. But by the time parents become old, many a times it happens to be so person kick them out. Not so. They are actually sent to the old age home like that. Do you think this type of practice is good?
No.
No. What should be done? Our old tradition culture should be just retained like that, is not sir? Or just reformed like that, is not sir? This is how India can be developed like that. We are reaching to the moon, but for petty matter we are quarreling. Right, not sir? Should it be good? This park is the park. 9 months ago I came to your park. Since then I started cleaning every day. Right, not sir? Without fail. Some of the area was earmarked and after that clean. And I throw you appeal. You eat fruit.
Yeah.
Seed you have throw in the garbage. Why don't you collect it? Collect and bring it in the park and throw it here somewhere else like that. Somehow it will come. It not sell. It will it will grow. It will be reared like the son of what farmers, not the baby Johnson powder like culture like that. Is it not so? Now one thing more you can say. Right now you have got new education policy. What your go to your class? What is your class?
9.
9. New education policy and 9. What benefit would you like to get out of it?
New education of 9.
Suppose new education policy is there, you are likely to appear twice in a year for class 10. No need to fail at all. Earlier compartment was there, or you can say it about that right now, you can opt any of the subject that you want to read like that. Anna? Yeah. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Are you satisfied with it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Another question here is that when you come to park, suppose 1,000 people come. 1,000 means 2,000 hands. Within 2 minutes, you can pick up the plastic like that and park will go neat and clean. Am I correct? This is how we can just revive civic sense. Civic sense simply tells, don't think of the person, wait for the person. You do the thing what you can do. I say, now, next question. What would you like to become in your life?
I want to. My mother said that I have to take commerce with maths. I want to become an engineer.
Engineer. But commerce, you take an engineer, how can you become?
But my mama says that you have to take commerce with maths.
And math will just take you towards that.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
And commerce will take you towards the business if you really want to do this. You are willing to just kill too many words with a 2 stone like that. That is commerce and engineering, not commerce and mathematics like that. Either of the two are somewhat similar because of the calculation, this and that like that. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So now your mama is very intelligent. She is actually planning to make you a certain thing. But during our time, no mama was actually thinking like that. Whatever thing I did because of me. I don't know myself, but somewhere blessing actually works. अब यहाँ पे सवाल उठता है. One thing is there. Does blessing work? Blessing requires labor. Sometimes people, actually student tells, sir, wish me to pass the exam. No, I won't wish you. If you don't read, you will not be passing. If you read, I do not give you blessing, even then you will pass. You depend on your labor, you depend on your faith, you depend on your conviction, whatsoever things are there. Otherwise, you cannot do any sort of thing. Your name, I did not ask you, please tell the name. Aapka naam?
Harvinder.
Harvinder. Which school do you read in?
first I do 8th in Arya International School, and then I change my school to Janakpuri.
Janakpuri now you go, है ना? अच्छा, okay, this is good, no problem. What is important, school or student?
Study.
No, school or a student. What is important? I think a student. It is a student. No, it is a student who makes a school. I don't know, sir. Only building will not do. Suppose buildings are there, students are not studying. They will not be washing. This is how school will be getting defamed. I don't say. So it is a student important. Does a school speak?
Yeah.
Does a school speak?
No.
Yes. It speaks. Yes, sir. It speaks with the speech of a student. It speaks with the speech of teacher. It speaks with the speech of principal. It's not here. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now, I think one or two more questions I will ask after this. Just leave it, you can see it. Right now, you see even children, they are depressed.
Yeah.
Grown up depressed, old depressed. What is the reason of depression? Something there in the mind, they did not release, they just keep it here. This is because of the reason it goes to suicidal. Right? So I have actually coined a concept couplet like that. रहीमन निज मन की व्यथा बता दियो सब कोई मस्तिष्क दबाव ना रहे हार्ट फेल ना होए whatever problem you have got don't keep it in the mind tell the people I did not say this is how the depression will not be there in the mind and heart attack will not be there है ना suppose you do not get anything you come to the park you talk to the very tree by telling it about that if Jagdish Chandra Basu can talk why can't you talk you just get your depression to be released certainly you will not be getting heart attack ठीक है अब I think founder of the Sikhism is Guru Nanak. From Guru Nanak to Guru Gobind Singh, journey starts. In between, Das is there, Arjun Dev Singh is there, almost all the things are there. So what is the main motto of Sikhism?
First of all, main motive of Sikhs, first to protect your culture. In 1750, Sikhs protect our region. Like Hindu, Sikhs protect Hindu from Mughals, Muslims, and now Sikhs.
Just you think in your Gurudwara I went, I think Amritsar, there is a culture, this langar culture.
Yeah.
How did it start and what is the mission behind it here? And how is it managed?
Our God Guru Nanak Dev Ji starts 25 rupees of langar.
Yeah.
Its motive that that people who are poor that do not afford food they can eat food in Gurdwara. Yeah. Anybody. If you are just actually well off, you simply give the donation like that. If you are not like, just I cannot say first of all, but I see, is it not? People doing big official thing, they're doing safai, है ना? Safai, it is good symptom. When you do the thing in the Gurudwara, it is park. Suppose if you think park to be Gurudwara, you can do the thing. Because this Nanak Dev and God is everywhere. God is omnipresent, omniscient, omnipresent like that. Omniscient. अब यहाँ पर कुछ एक दिन मौका मिला तो मैं सिखिज्म पे तुमसे बात करूँगा है ना अब यहाँ पर एक मिनट कुछ ये बोल दो हमारे साथ टैग लाइन बोलो एक ही मुद्दा एक ही नारा पाक सुंदर हो हमारा थोड़ा हाथ जोड़ लो एक मिनट हाथ जोड़ करता प्रणाम मत बनाओ पार्क को कूड़ादान गलत नहीं है ना ये कुछ मिनटों का श्रमदान ला सकता है पार्क में मुस्कान गलत नहीं है ना उसके बाद सब व्यसनों का एक ही जड़ एक ही जड़ खुद को रखना जाहिल अनपढ़ एक और लाइन बोल दो कर जोड़ करता नमस्कार मत बनाओ पार्क को अंधकार या मत लाओ पार्क में अंधकार ठीक ना एक लास्ट लाइन सब देशों से न्यारा है भारत देश हमारा है एक बार फिर से बोल दो जो बोले सो निहाल सत श्री अकाल विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट माय डियर सन थैंक यू वेरी मच है ना